Welcome back to Nifty Network. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the clips right here that hold the bumper in place. Don't just pry these off. Like once you get these 10s out of here, they don't just come off. And if you do that, you're going to break them. So we can see that the 10 is off. It's still stuck there, obviously. We're going to put the car down a tiny bit. Then we're going to go to the inside right here. And we're going to see these little black studs. There's going to be two that are open where the bolt goes, and then there's going to be square ones. And if you see on the sides right here, if you look in there, there's like a little, like an opening that clips it into place. Just give that a little pressure there, and a little pressure on that side. And then you're just going to want to pinch where the bolt went. And they come out really easy. You don't have to break them. And I'll show you on this bottom side as well, because there are two different brackets. There's one for the top portion of the bumper and then one for the bottom portion. So we got that loose and pushed through. We're going to pinch the bolt hole one, and the third one is a little deeper, but it's still the same thing. Okay, so once you press those out, you don't have to break these, okay? That's how you do that. And we can do the other side too. Oh, that's kind of cool. You'll be able to see like the outside view of it, like popping off. Voila. And that is how you remove your bumper brackets on a Q50.